Hi. In this episode, I will show you how to analyze the model results and how to produce the output report. So in previous episodes, I showed you how to build the model from scratch, how to set up the geometry, and how to set up the modeling parameters, traffic flows, and HGV percentage. In this episode, we will simply analyze the results of the model and produce the output. So when we have our model ready, we can just simply press here, run model or run all sets, assuming you want to run all your scenarios, which usually is the most preferred option. I would click here, run all sets. As you can see, this window pops up with all the results. So we have on the left side AM, and on the right side we have PM. And yeah, we can see all the parameters, the Q, the 95% Q, delay, ratio to flow capacity, level of service. Again, we're not going to delve into it now, the interpretation of each parameter. That's we will leave it to a different time. But yeah, that's basically the summary of the model results. Now, if we want to produce a detailed report, let's say we want to attach it to a transport statement or transport assessment, so we can press here, report, and we can see that we have at the top of the window all these options. So you can just play with it. So for example, maybe you want to exclude or include the input, the results, the junction diagram. Personally, I think putting as much as information, it's always good, make it look nice. And yeah, we can scroll down and see the results. We can also see the junction diagram. Again, it looks more nice, more professional in terms of reporting. So we have all our output results for all our scenarios here. You can just go also to tools, and you can go to some more advanced setting here, and you can just play with it. And yeah, after you finished, you just press convert and save as PDF. That's very simple. Yeah, thank you very much.